Hi friends, it's me, Claire. I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare rags. You probably don't need to watch an over-the-top explanation of how I chop up old t-shirts so I can make rags to use in my art studio. But who's going to stop you? As I demonstrate a technique that works for me, I'll explain why I need to have cotton rags when I paint. If you need rags for your studio practice or whatever messy projects you have going on right now, I hope this demonstration will help. This video tutorial is part of the curriculum at the unaccredited College of Clare. Is UCK a real art school, or is it simply my academia-themed Patreon page? You'll have to investigate for yourself by visiting patreon.com/KLAIRELOCKHEART. While you're there, you can check out all the art resources I have created for clever people like you.